Good morning, class 11. Today I am going to start accountancy. The name of the chapter is Bank Reconciliation Statement. In short form, you can call it BRS. Bank Reconciliation Statement is very important chapter for you. See the definition of the Bank Reconciliation Statement. Bank Reconciliation Statement is prepared to reconcile the difference between the bank balance shown by the cash book and bank passbook. Learning object. Meaning of bank reconciliation statement. We have to learn causes of differences in bank balance as per cash book and passbook. Importance of bank reconciliation statement. Procedure of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Procedure of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Now, see next topic. Now, definition. A schedule showing the items of difference between bank statement and bank column of the cash book is known as bank reconciliation statement. How many types of cases of differences in cash book and passbook? Number 1, transaction recorded in cash book but not in passbook. Number B or 2, transaction recorded in passbook but not in cash book. Number C, other transactions and error. Now, procedure of preparing bank reconciliation statement. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared when we get the duly completed passbook from the bank. First of all, tally the debit side entries of the cash book with the credit side entry of the passbook and vice versa. Number 2, tick the item appearing in both the books. Number 3, untick item will be the point of differences. Number 4, a BRS is then prepared by taking either the balance as per cash book or passbook as starting point. Now, starting with cash book balance, cash book with debit balance. See what item should be added and what item should be deducted. Item to be added, item to be deducted. Number 1, check issued but not presented for the payment. Check deposited but not collected, credited. Number 2, check deposit directly in the bank. Check recorded but not deposited. Number 3, interest allowed by the bank. Number 3, interest charged by bank. Next item to be added, interest dividend collected by the bank. Check bill of exchange dishonor. Item to be added, bill of exchange released. Item to be deducted, payment made by bank as per standing instruction. Number 6, item to be added, wrong credit granted by bank. Next item to be deducted, wrong debit by bank. Starting with passbook balance. Passbook with credit balance. Actually, cash book debit balance is favorable balance and passbook credit balance is favorable balance. The bank reconciliation statement as credit balance are favorable as per passbook. Now see what the item should be added in the passbook credit balance and what item should be deducted credit passbook balance. Number 1, check deposited but not collected, credited. Check issued but not present for payment. Number 2, check recorded in the cash book but not deposited. Number 2, check or cash deposit directly in the bank. Number 3, interest charged by bank not recorded in cash book. Interest allowed by bank. Number 4, interest dividend collected by bank. Check or bills receivable dishonored. Number 5, bank charge. Number 5, check deposited but not recorded in the bank cash book. Number 6, payment made by bank as per standing instruction. Here number 6, bill exchange released. Number 7, wrong debit by bank, wrong credited grant by bank. See, cash book with credit balance. Cash book with the credit balance is of unfavorable balance. Bank reconciliation statement, if started with the credit balance of cash book, then it become unfavorable. See what amount should be added here and what amount should be deducted. Item to be added. Check deposited but not collected credited. This is added when cash book is unfavorable or credit balance. Item to be deducted. First, I will read all the added item in cash book. Number 2 added item is check recorded but not deposited. Number 3 added item, interest charged by the bank. Number 4, check or bill receivable dishonor. Number 5, bank charges should be added. Number 6, payment made by bank as per standing instruction. Number 7, wrong debit by bank should be added. Number 8, check issued not recorded in cash book. Next, item to be deducted. Check issued but not presented for payment. This item should be deducted. Number 2, check or cash deposit directly in the bank. Number 3, interest allowed by the bank. Number 4, interest dividend collected by the bank. Number 5, check deposited but not recorded in the cash book. Number 6, bill of exchange released. Number 7, wrong credit granted by the bank should be deducted. Here, passbook with debit balance. Cash book with credit balance is unfavorable. Passbook with debit balance is also unfavorable. Bank reconciliation statement, if started with the debit balance or overdraft as per passbook, then each entry causing differences in analysis to find its effect on the passbook. That is increase or decrease in the balance as per passbook. Here some items which is added in the case of debit balance of passbook, and here some item which should be deducted with the debit balance of passbook. Now what the item should be added? See, number 1, check issued but not presented for payment. Check deposited but not collected credit. Number 2, check deposit directly in the bank. Number 2 item should be deducted. Check recorded in cash book but not deposited. Number 3, interest allowed by the bank should be added with the passbook with the debit balance. Here number 3, interest charged by bank not recorded in the cash book, item to be deducted. Number 4, interest or dividend collected by the bank should be added. Number 4, check or bill receivable dishonor, item should be deducted. Number 5, check deposited but not recorded in the cash book. Number 5, bank charge should be deducted. Number 6, bill of exchange realized should be added, item to be deducted. Payment made by bank as per standing instruction should be deducted with the passbook with debit balance. Last one, wrong credit granted by bank should be added when it unfavorable balance in our passbook, and wrong debit by bank should be deducted when unfavorable balance in passbook. I hope you people have understand. I have given all the conditions related with your favorable and unfavorable. There is 4 conditions of BRS. 2 conditions are favorable and 2 conditions are unfavorable. 2 favorable condition is cash book debit balance and passbook credit balance. I have given the added item and deducted item for both the situation, and there is 2 also unfavorable condition. Credit balance of cash book is unfavorable situation and debit balance of passbook is unfavorable situation. I have also given conditions of add and less in the case of unfavorable balance. In next class, I will solve some sums regarding this matter. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy. Thank you.